If there's anything meeting and event planners today know to be valid and authentic, it's that making connections in person is something incredible. However, for an assortment of reasons, it's not in every case feasible or straightforward to unite individuals in a similar space. It's the reason virtual meetings and events have become increasingly popular in recent years, and all things considered. Virtual events did not just assist planners with growing their crowd and advance inclusivity. Yet, they can be a compelling method to increase revenue and track critical information about your audience. Despite these positives, nonetheless, there are still many planners that don't think about facilitating and hosting events online or adding virtual segments to their in-person events. In this guide, we'll explore everything planners require to think about virtual events, from why they ought to consider hosting a virtual event platform, to what a virtual encounter is similar to and how to make it a triumph. What is a virtual event? Virtual events, in its most straightforward definition, are events held on the web. Virtual events use web-based platforms to associate dozens to a vast number of attendees worldwide and frequently incorporate interactive engagement highlights, for example, polling, surveying, Q&A, and chat boxes. Virtual events, as in-person events, can cover anything. Typically, there are 4 kinds of virtual event platform benefits: virtual conferences, online classes, webinars, internal hybrid events, and external mixed events. Essential highlights to search for in virtual event software. Virtual event platforms make business events conceivable not just during a worldwide pandemic. In more customary conditions, they give an experiential in-person elective for organizations to extend their reach beyond borders, cut down on conferencing and logistics costs, and oblige clients who cannot attend a meeting in person. To make opportunities for participants to associate and organize such that benefits your business, these platforms need to meet a few specialized necessities. Advanced Digital Product Service Exhibit. Advanced digital showcases carry online conferences to the following level, utilizing AR and VR to offer a genuine real-life product service experience. Animated 2D, 3D walkthroughs strengthened with captivating advanced digital storytelling procedures empower each attendee to connect with each product presented on the platform as though with an actual physical object. Customization choices. Eliminating user distraction is perhaps the main difficulties for virtual event platform benefit software. Out-of-the-box video conferencing arrangements frequently neglect to give the individualized client experience to create and support participants' interest. Adaptable platforms permit you to tailor each event to your exact audience and offer branding opportunities for a predictable and consistent professional look and feel. Different virtual event spaces. In their most fundamental structure, virtual meeting platforms provide unadulterated live streaming and video calling capabilities. In any case, to convey end-to-end corporate help, more sophisticated solutions offer a vast scope of virtual event spaces compared to the whole spectrum of business interactions. These incorporate lobbies, exhibit halls, meeting rooms, one-on-one interview facilities, and support space. Therefore, an event host may change the meeting size and format to each audience, shaping more significant online experiences. Questions and answers and live chats. Present-day virtual event solutions change one-way lecturing into certified and genuine attendee commitment and engagement by baking in live chats, client surveys, and questions and answers into the online course or conference experience. These interactive highlights permit presenters to transcend simply acknowledging the audience and yet give them a voice, all things considered. By providing a channel for attendees to join the conversation, you can cultivate user engagement and keep your event participants hooked. Web-based social media integration. Social media has a vital influence on producing attendee engagement. By permitting members to share refreshes and updates about your event, you can contact a more extensive audience and create more buzz around your webinar or conference. Likewise, you can exploit the advantage of specific social media highlights, for example, Instagram countdowns or Facebook events, to enhance your impact. Experiences into social sharing empower you to screen your reputation among participants and rapidly respond if any issue should tend to. Curated organizing and networking opportunities. The capacity to associate with industry peers is among the principal explanations for attending business events. That is why a virtual event platform benefits ought to coordinate networking into the online meeting conference experience. For instance, you may set up themed spaces for users to hold topic-specific conversations or dispense specific hours for attendees to meet casually. Another choice is to make touchpoints integrated with the event platform, for example, a mobile application or a social channel, for participants to associate before the event or build subsequent sessions for clients to proceed with their discussions after a meeting or a conference finished. To summarize, as the worldwide business compelled to transition to online channels, organizations across ventures are moving from physical to virtual events. For in-person interactions, such virtual events need considerably more than essentially rounding up a couple of slides or scheduling an online meeting with a team. Regardless of whether one-on-one interviews or global online expos, virtual events need to command user attention and produce genuine engagement. Adjustable virtual event software helps organizations convey an actual worth and impact during these online encounters, giving a cost-proficient, advantageous, and exceptionally productive solution to serve the meeting needs of things to come.